Let's start our today's maths class. We have already done 16.1, 16.2 and 16.3 of the chapter data handling. Now today I'm going to give you one activity. Alright, I'm going to give you one question and we are going to do the activity related to it. One thing I want to tell to Arhan Sahil, your camera is moving beta. Keep your mobile phone stable at one place and sit straight and pay attention. Yes, your phone should not move here and there. Keep it straight. Yes, good. All right. So can you see the blackboard? What is written here? Is it clearly visible? Clearly visible? Okay. So now today we are going to do one activity. I'm going to give you one question and we are going to discuss that question. This activity you have to do in your rough copy and not in fair copies. All right? Okay. Now pay attention on the question. The question says, listen to the question. In a survey conducted on a group of people, the following information was given on their favorite drink. Now here, the name of few drinks are given. Alright? Tea, coffee, chocolate drink, milkshake, and juice. How many? Five types of different drinks are given. Plus, on the next side, the number of people. Can you see this? Number of people means how many people drink tea? 146. How many people drink coffee? 128. How many people drink chocolate drink? 57. How many people like milkshake? 78. How many people like juice? 91. Alright, so this is the data given to you. Alright. Now, according to this data, we are going to solve few questions. First question says, which drink is the most popular? Now, here you have to look at the drinks and you have to look at the numbers. By looking at the data, can you tell which drink is the most popular? The first one, that is tea, because in India, most of the people, they drink tea in the morning or in the evening. 2 cups of tea is mostly liked by all the people of India. So, first question says, which is the most popular drink? Answer will be tea. Yes. Then second question says, how many people like it? Means how many people like tea? So you will look the data 146. So the most popular drink is tea and how many people like it? 146. This is not the pie chart. This is the graph. Okay, the normal chart. Every day we are going to do different activities. Means one day we will do pie chart activity. One day we will do this normal chart graph activity. One day we will do pictorial graph where faces were made. You remember we did that type of questions also. That type of activity. Different days, different type of activities we are going to do so that you are able to understand the lesson more clearly. Right? And you are able to study all types of charts, graphs clearly. Okay? Next question says, which drink is the least popular? Now again see, least popular is chocolate drink. Yes, least popular is the chocolate drink. Least people like it. Yes, 57. 57 people like it. So it is least popular. Then How many people like the least popular drink? Means how many people like the chocolate drink? 57. Yes, 57. Alright, very good. Then next, which drink is which drink is more popular, tea or coffee? Now again look here, tea and coffee. 146 and 128. Which is more popular, tea or coffee? Tea is more popular. So we will write tea is more popular than coffee. Alright? Then next, how many people were surveyed? Means we have to take out the total number of people from here. How many people surveyed together? So we have to take out the total. And 146, 128, 57, 78 and 21. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 7, 21 plus 8, 29 plus 1, 30. So 0 we will write here. Okay. 3 will be carried forward. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1. How many people total were surveyed? 500. So total 500 people were surveyed. Have you understood? Now this is which activity? This activity is given on page number 241. Open page number, the activity which we have done just now, we have discussed just now, is the activity given on page number 241. So you have to do this exercise in your rough copies, this activity in your rough. Clear? Yes. This is practice copy, where practice work wherever you want to do, means you don't have to do it fair copy, except fair copy wherever you want to do, whether rough copy or any other copy that you have, you can do it in that. It is for your practice to understand different types of data and different types of graphs. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more question. Come on, page number 244. 244. Open. Come back on page number 242. 242. Let's do one question related to your favorite topic, that is cartoons. So question number 4. Question number 4, page number 242. Again, we are going to discuss the question, but you will do it in your rough copy, not in fair copy. Alright? Everybody has opened page number 242? Alright, read the question. The table below shows preferences of the children in a class for the type of program they like to watch. Now again, this type of chart is given to you. This type of chart is given to you. And in the first column, there are favorite type of program, and in the second column, number of children are there. Yes. So you have to decide. First, we have to read this data and chart. All right. So first column says which program? Comedy. First program is comedy. And how many children like the comedy program? 14 children. How many children like the program? 14 children. Another second type of program is cartoon. Yes, cartoon. How many children like? 12. Alright? Yes. Third type of program is sports. Sports, how many children like? 7. The next is wildlife. Wildlife is liked by 9 children and adventure is liked by most of the children, that is 18. Adventure is liked by most of the children. So now we are going to come on the questions. Chart is clear to you, data is clear, what it is saying? Alright. Now we are going to come on the questions. Question number 1. Which type of program is the most popular among the children? Yes, by looking at the data, by looking at the chart, we can say that the adventure program, yes. So in front of it, right answer, adventure. Right answer, adventure. Keep writing. Then next question, which type of program is least popular? Which children don't like? Very less children like. Sports, yes. Sports. Sports. The next, which program is more popular, cartoon or comedy? Now here, two sections are given to us, categories given, and we have, yes, we have to decide which is more popular, comedy or cartoon. By looking at the data, we will come to know that comedy is more liked by the people. So comedy, who is asking this? Sakshi, we have already done more than half of the class and you are not paying attention. Pay attention, page number 242. Question number 4 we are doing. Which type of program is more popular, cartoon or comedy? So we are going to look at the data first and see which program is more popular. For cartoon we have 12 children and for comedy we have 14. So which is more popular? Comedy. Right answer in front of it, comedy. Then again last question says find the total number of children. Find the total number of children. We will add together. We will add together. Wait. First is 14, then 12, then 7, then 9, then 18. Let's add together. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6 or 7? 6. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, 13 or 14? 13. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 8, very good. 22 plus 8, 30. Huh? 22 plus 8, 30 or 32? 30. 3 carried over here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So how many total children? 50. Find the total number of children? 50. Alright, so answer will be 50 children. Got it? All of you got it? Alright. Now your work is your work is that you have to do these two questions that we have discussed today in your rough copies, not in your fair copies. Practice on your own in your rough copy. All right? Any other doubt? Any query? Yes, Vidhi. Vidhi is asking. On your camera and then ask. On your camera and then ask. What is not working? How come is this possible? Your mic is working, camera not working. This is not possible. On your camera. Are you not in school dress, beta? On your camera, please. Yes, you are in school dress. Then what happened? All right. Ask. We have done discussed two questions. One on page number 241 and second on page number 242, question number 4. These two questions you have to do in your rough copies today as activity. Yes, who else want to ask? Any problem? You do it and write the answer. Okay? Whatever is coming. Alright? Okay. So do